Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DeepSeek AI verification code not working. So in order to fix this error, you first have to come on deepseekai.com, and over here when you try to sign up on DeepSeek AI, you might not getting the code. When you click on the send code option, you don't get the code. Over here, before jumping on to the steps, make sure that you read the instructions that is mentioned on the top. Due to the large-scale malicious attacks on DeepSeek's services, registration may be busy. Please wait and try again. Registered user can log in normally. Thank you for your understanding and support. So on their website, they have clearly mentioned that the new signups may face a lot of problems while getting the code or some other errors. So you just have to either wait or keep on trying until you sign up with DeepSeek AI. Or the second method, or the best method that I can recommend you using, is to simply use a VPN. So this is the VPN that I'm currently using. So you can download and install any of the free or paid VPNs in your device. Then you just have to connect to any of the servers here. You can just click over here, and here you will see some of the free servers like France, Netherlands, Russia. So you can connect on any of these. Then you just have to refresh the page. Afterwards, you will have to provide your email address, create a strong password for your account, and then click on the send code option. Afterwards, you will have to click on the sign up option, and then most probably you will get your code on your mobile device. Or what you can do is, instead of directly sign up on DeepSeek AI, what you can do is you can click on the login option, and here you can click on login with Google. Now over here it is saying that your ad blocker is on. Please disable it for proper usage. So it has detected that I'm using ad blocker. So make sure that you disable these types of things if you are using it. So this is my ad blocker, so I'm going to remove it, and then just try to log in into your account. And if you are using the same kind of ad blockers in your browser, so make sure that you disable these and then try to log in into your account, and you will be able to sign up very easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.